Hello friends, welcome back to Mother Made channel. Friends, today we will make dishwash gel which is used to wash utensils. But today the formula is very different. It is a new formula. We will not use caustic soda in it because caustic soda is very dangerous. If even a drop of water of caustic soda falls on your skin, it will burn your skin. So it is very risky to use caustic soda because the pH level of caustic soda is very high, because caustic soda is alkaline in nature, so it does not suit your skin and burns your skin. By using this formula, anybody can make it by themselves. Even the housewives can make it by themselves and save their money. Friends, I will show you the raw materials first, then I will show you the practical video. After completing the video, I will tell you the quantity of raw materials. So friends, please watch my full video so that you can understand it properly and make it without mistake. So let's go. Now I am showing you the raw materials. See, this is acid slurry. It is also called lapsa. You can get it very easily in the industrial chemical shops. See, this is sodium metasilicate. See the texture and the color. It is also easily available in the industrial chemical shops. This is sodium carbonate. You can call it soda ash also, and it is also called washing soda. Very cheap in price and easily available. This is water. You can take mineral water or RO water, but please don't take tap water. This is water based fragrance, perfume. This is color, water based color. You can take food color. I have taken yellow color because mostly dishwash gel are yellow in color. You can take any color of your choice. Friends, now I am showing you the practical video. First, I had taken sodium metasilicate. Now I am adding acid slurry. And mix it properly. Sodium metasilicate take time to dissolve. So mix it properly for some time as I am showing you. See, all the particles of sodium metasilicate had dissolved properly. Now I am adding soda ash. After mixing properly, I am adding water. Then mix it properly. It will take time to become homogeneous. It will be better if you add water very gradually, a little bit at a time. See friends, after mixing, it looks like this. But it is too foamy. So I will leave it overnight so that the foam subside. I will show you tomorrow. See, it will look like this next day. Now I am adding color. You can use any color of your choice. Now I am adding perfume. You can use any perfume, water-based perfume. Now your dishwash is ready. Now I will show you the pH level. The pH should be between 5 to 7. And see, it is coming 7. So it is perfect. Now I will show you the quality of the product. For that I have taken water in a bowl and adding a little quantity of liquid soap in it. See the foam. So you can see the quality of dishwash gel. Friends, now I will tell the quantities of raw materials. Please note it down. The quantity of acid slurry is 150 ml. Sodium metasilicate should be 50 gram. Soda ash is also 50 gram. The quantity of water should be between 700 ml to 800 ml. please add water gradually in order to mix it properly. Friends, you can add more water if you want less thickness, and you can decrease the quantity of water if you want more thick. For fragrance, you can increase or decrease the fragrance according to your choice, and same with the color. Friends, if you have any queries, you can write in the comment box. Friends, did you like my video? If you do, please press the like button and share my video with all your friends and relatives, and do subscribe my channel. After pressing subscribe button, you will see a bell icon there. Please press that bell icon also. After pressing bell, you will see 3 options on the screen. Press all button which is on the top. By pressing all button, you will receive notification whenever I make a new video. So please press the all button. Now friends, we will meet in next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.